Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a locked iPhone. Forgetting your passcode or needing to prepare your device for a new owner are common reasons to perform a factory reset. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to regain control or securely wipe your iPhone. Understanding these methods is crucial for maintaining your privacy and ensuring your device is ready for its next phase. We will cover two primary approaches for this task. If Find My was active on your locked iPhone, this is often the simplest solution. Using any web browser, go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple ID. From there, select Find iPhone, choose your locked device from the list, and then click Erase iPhone. This command will securely wipe all data once the device connects to the internet, providing a clean slate. Ensure you have your Apple ID and password readily available for this process. When remote erasing isn't an option, recovery mode allows you to restore your iPhone. Connect your device to a computer and put it into recovery mode. This usually involves pressing and holding specific buttons. For most recent models, you quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button. Once detected by your computer, choose the Restore option when prompted. This will download the latest software and erase your iPhone completely. Remember, erasing your iPhone is a permanent action that removes all data. Make certain you have tried all other options before proceeding. You will need your Apple ID and password to set up the iPhone again, as activation lock remains in place. If you ever anticipate needing to erase your phone, regularly backing up your data to iCloud or your computer is highly recommended. These steps ensure your security and data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.